We've been designing furniture here in Älmhult for over 80 years. It's funny to think that what started here in the middle of the Swedish forest ends up in homes all around the world. Developing a product is like solving a puzzle where all the bits has to fit. It has to work, to look good, be affordable, and above all, be safe. For example, tipping accidents can happen when you least expect them, which is why furniture should always be anchored to the wall. Our goal is that no one should be harmed by storage furniture tipping over. This is what drives us to continuously innovate and develop better and safer products for our customers. We prefer to innovate through design, material and technical solutions. For example, with a new mechanism we call drawer interlock that only lets you open one drawer per column at a time. And in some products we added a function called anchor unlock that lets you open all the drawers once the unit is attached to the wall. And there are more innovative solutions to come. My name is Ola Claesson and I'm part of the product development team at IKEA.